Well, look this way. It helps when you turn. Oh. Wait a minute, I do know what I'm doing.
She's had classes in it. She knows
classes?
She's actually had
to get
classes in iPad.
I need to get my big flash, I guess.
She's going to be my guru and tell me why my sound phone won't signal every time I pick it up.
Henry, you very nearly shoved my fingers straight through the middle of that cake.
Well, the first one didn't work at all. Every time you pick it up, I thought it was my football tip. And then I had your dad had spent an hour trying to pick it up in different ways. And it turned out
You know I'm a real gunner.
Feel this on it. I don't want to take my laptop. I want to take this. That's what I used to use my Nokia. And they told me, well, nobody ever no service. That's what happens to it. I have never had any service on it. I just find out sometimes it's put on airplane mode. But they told me they made a bunch of ones that didn't work. And then they figured it out, and so they changed them, but no one bought the 300-pound one. They hit them with the contract. So those were sitting on top of the
Wait a minute. If you don't move it, I can take a picture of it. If you keep moving it, I can't. Oh, yeah, thank you. See, it's smart.